Hey, what's going on YouTube? How are y'all doing today? I hope you're having a phenomenal day. We got another banger video for you here. Today we're ranking the M60, LMG, and Zombies, seeing how it does. Now, our first gameplay video, it's a little interesting, short, you'll find out why. Now, after that, I'm going to put some other game clips in there from about round 10 to round 22. To show you guys how it is to rank it up, get you some more gameplay, see what it's about. And on top of that gameplay in the beginning, you're going to hear me and my boy Connor talking about the gun, getting our rankings down, letting you guys know how it is. Now, the rankings that we came up with for this gun are solid, definitely better than the XM4. So, you know how the rankings go if you watched the last video. We got train killing, boss killing, headshots, saving power, mobility, and how viable is it on high rounds. The rankings for the M60 are as follows. The train killing got a 7 out of 10. Boss killing, 7 out of 10. Headshots, 6 out of 10. Saving power, 5.5 out of 10. High rounds, 5 out of 10. Mobility, 2 out of 10. This gave this gun a ranking of a 57 out of 90, so it's above average. Biggest knock on it is that it's slow when you run with it out, so I would definitely recommend either running with your fists out if you're going to use just this gun, or getting stamina up. I didn't get stamina up because I just wanted to feel how the gun itself was on mobility. And yeah, I mean, I would run a SMG maybe with it. If you get something out of the box, it's a pistol SMG. Train with that out and then turn shoot with this. It's great at killing trains. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to watch daily streams, I stream every night at twitch.tv/Geesh30. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Have a great day. All around, the gun's doing well.
Solid gun.
It's just not been our night.
Yeah. Ooh.
I mean, somebody's only got 1 revive compared to 5, but like, we're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah.
At least one of us was able to stay alive, so like the night wasn't just like a waste. That would have been like that, especially for me. Like
That would have been.
that would have just been.
You'd should have been around 30 of evaluation.
Yeah, I wouldn't have had the video though.
But yeah, for recording. Syndicate is doing us. I mean, obviously, a relatively similar series. It's not no offensive, it's not a novel concept. He doesn't even. He exfilled at 31.
What is he doing, like best gun tier list?
Oh, he's just going through every gun and packing it, and just talking about it. That's what you can do when you have 10 million subs.
I come up with an idea, and there's gotta be somebody else doing it. I didn't see it anywhere. I didn't like. I'm just out here coming up with it.
I invented the review.
Yeah, dude. My gun reviews are gonna be the new like the Y of.
This motherfucker respawned on me. He knows I don't have the facility to do it.
Oh, actually, if I could get that, I might get this guy.
Another one just spawned on me. Bro. Not cool.
Is he on you?
Yeah, I got 2. I don't have the facilities. Oh. Ow.
Just like end around. Oh no, you just have the entire map up there.
Yeah, I had everyone trying to kill me.
I can't run through that building yet. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's one of them.
Get the shroud and run up top. I will not be able to kill zombies. I did not get the revive. Help! Help!
That barely scratched you.
Yeah, Woods gives like 0 fucks about you when you go down.
What's up? Oh my, yeah, they smacked me again. I don't know if you knew, but they one hit you.
Oh, what a bad place to unshroud. Yo, Connor, I'm gonna be honest, dude. I don't have a shroud, and there's a lot of zombies here.
It's okay. I mean, I won't be able to kill them though. I'm gonna be real.
Everybody, come down here. Can you see towards the tunnel?
No.
Oh, I hope they're not running up this way. That would be unfortunate for me. Oh my god, they are. Oh my god, they are. Oh my god. Oh no.
Son of a bitch got lucky.
Oh no. Rip. Very unfortunate.
Honestly, if I had a faster gun, or I was smart enough to like run out with my fist there more, because I switched my fist in the tunnel with the zombies coming at me from both sides, and I just used my shroud. Oh, let's go over this real quick. Where's my pen? Dude, that's such pain, dude. Come on.
Pain.
I can't.
We really gonna start. We really.
Oh, dude, I smacked my foot against my chair. Oh my god. All right. What did we just play with the M60? What are we saying? The
hit me with the categories.
So we got the
Take me through it.
train killing out of 10.
A 10? Solid. What did we give the other two? Just for reference.
For the XM4 we gave it a 4 out of 10. I would say this is like at least a 7.
Sure, cool with the 7.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that.
And then boss killing, this times 2. I don't know.
give it like a 7. I don't know, it seemed to be doing work.
It was doing pretty good. I guess a 7. Yeah, I'm okay with the 7. And then it's headshot ability. Like, what are we thinking? I would say it was solid. It was still like, I mean, round 37. It was still like 2 hitting to the head.
Yeah, I mean, it was fine. Yeah.
It's like because we gave the XM a 5 out of 10 for headshot. Gotta give this what, like a 6?
Compared to how shit it was.
7?
Give it a 6, so we don't give it another 7.
Yeah. And then we got saving power of it. That was high. You get yourself. Oh, actually, I don't know if it was high because we went down.
Yeah, I don't know.
For saving power, is a 5. Just because
Yeah,
you could
you
run
got
with
that,
it.
yeah.
You could run with it
That's
better.
fair.
Like, I feel like the hardest thing about this, its mobility was so low that like it was hard
Yeah.
to run with. I
Honestly, I
don't
give
know.
it like a. I'm in like the 5-6 range for saving.
5,
So
6.
you just can't move. You can't move out of there.
You think you give it on par with the? I mean, yeah, because it could shoot better, but you couldn't move. So
I don't know. I'm thinking like I don't know if we're
5.
doing half ratings, maybe like a 5.5 or 6 or something.
we can do half ratings because this one's times 2.
I like it. 5.5.
So 5.5.
5.5.
Which goes to 11 out of 20. Mobility.
It's got to be like a 1 or 2.
I'm gonna give it a
It's just-
2 just because.
Like,
Just
the launch
because
isn't
like the
right.
launch it's better than a launcher. Probably like
Yeah.
2 out of 10
Yeah,
for mobility.
It's just bad.
And then high round. I mean,
I don't know.
it's good because like it's 5. I mean,
No,
we got
it's
to
good.
decent round. It's good because its firepower is good, but like its mobility is gonna kill you because if you gotta get out of a tight spot with all those zombies.
Yeah.
Maybe like I'd say it's just average, like a 5.
I'm cool with that.
5 out of 10, so it's a 20
Okay.
out of, a 10 out of 20. So what do we got this thing at? A 14, 28. 28 plus 6 is 34.
Cool.
And then 34 plus 11 is 45. 47. 57 out of 90. Solid. A
What
lot
was the
better.
XM for?
XM's 36 out of 90. So it
It was so
crushed.
bad,
It
man.
crushed the XM. What's going on, guys? If you made it this far in the video, you probably saw our reaction talking about the gun. At this point, you've been watching this gameplay in the background. Just thought I'd get a little bit more for you guys. See how it goes. I'm just getting free jug out of coffin right here, so I don't have to buy it. Get it packed quicker. You guys can see the abilities. Doing around 21, 26 exfil. I don't know how it's going. Just so you guys can see a little bit more of the gun. Oh, are you kidding me? You know, I don't know. I was still only gonna use the M60 just for the video, but might go higher rounds with the rig. I don't know. I don't have Ring of Fire equipped, so I can't really do high round strap, but we'll see how it goes. I like the gun. I think it's solid. It's obviously not as good as this, but damn, that sucks that I get it at this game. The rig on this game. Oh, other games. Mobility on this thing is really what brings it down. Everything else, it's solid, but
Observing a high concentration of radioactivity.
I want you guys to see how it kind of looks in the gameplay as you're leveling it up. Sadly, in the last video we went down, didn't really have too much gameplay of it. You guys already know that. Oh, dude, I really want to use the ray gun on this boss. I'll stick true to the challenge. You guys see how it goes against this boss. So this is packed in green at this point. It's still pretty solid. Obviously, I don't have dead wire, dead shot on. That's not really fair. Insta-kill is gonna like double your damage on the boss, but it does pretty well against them. Just want to get like one of them out of the way. I'll save this guy for after Insta-kill, show you guys a little bit more what it's about. Obviously this is above a power curve right now. There we go. So without insta-kill, obviously it's still doing well. I can't take him out all at once just because the other zombies are gonna get in my way, but still melts him.
Another win for me. That was fucking funny.
Yeah, this should really be the game for a high round gameplay, but maybe I'll keep going after this one.
Raptor 1 is nearby, strike team. Exfil window is short, so take it now if you're ready.
Let's go upgrade this to blue. Head back up here, train. Almost at double pack. try to upgrade the gun as much as I can first before I get perks and stuff. So depending on if I do want to exfil. It's pretty late for me here. It's 2 in the morning. I do have to say that if you guys are going to use this gun, speed coal is a must. Look at how long this reload takes. Get all these guys up here. Shoot them as they come around the corner. Oh! I don't know why I'm freaking out. It's round 11. Zombies aren't going to be able to really do too much. Say that now. I'm going to go down. That's what happened in our video. We were just talking about how we don't go down that much, and then we just got absolutely destroyed by the zombies. Now, as you can see, obviously, right now, it's a lot more powerful than the zombies are. Starts to level out as you go up in rounds. I'd say for killing zombies, though, you're still solid with this gun. For sure. You're definitely going to want to run something else, though. I mean, if you could get this out of your box.
No longer available. I'll notify you when Raptor 1's back in range.
Oh, when this thing runs out of ammo on a train, you just turn around with this, kills the train. Obviously not just as well, but so far a lot better than the XM4, let me tell you that. We had fun with this gun, we did not have fun with the XM4. Just wasn't our night tonight. I think Connor went down like 7 times.
Dropped another zombie.
The other thing about it, it's got really good hipfire accuracy, I have to say. I'm enjoying its hipfire. But, I mean, running with this is just bad. It's slow, it takes a while to reload. Its mobility is just not good. Yeah, you can't really see too much of it now in these low rounds, but when you get to high rounds, if you get into a tight spot, it kills the zombies quick, but if you gotta revive your friend or something, you gotta run with your fists out and then switch to your gun when you gotta kill a zombie. It's kind of what happened in our game. I'm sure you saw I ran around in the tunnel and then it just took me so long to get over there. They were already coming in from both sides. You couldn't get out. But we move forward. Tomorrow's video, I think, when I bring you some knife-only gameplay. If you guys have any other suggestions to challenges and stuff, we were thinking some equipment only. So what we're gonna do is, like, you know, start off with just our knives, and then as the rounds go on, whenever we could pick up our first set of equipment, whether it be like a tomahawk, a Molotov, or something like that, that's all that we're allowed to use, and then we can use the salvage to buy more. It's gonna be a tough challenge. Yeah, so as you can see, it does quite well against the bosses this round. It's definitely a strong starting gun. I missed that dude. Not the end of the road. Get more points, get the triple pack, hopefully. Get some perks. Speed cola for sure. So self-revive here. Excuse me, guys. I already have one, don't I? Solos. I mean, it melts them. If you're just looking for a strong starting gun, you're gonna try to like get the ray gun out of the box or something like that. This is definitely a good one to start with. Does high damage on the low rounds. The damage really stays consistent, I have to say. You know, as you upgrade it with different rounds as they get higher, as you upgrade your gun, it stays about the same. Obviously drops off a little bit like all the guns do, the mid 30s, but solid gun firepower wise. Definitely have to run stamina. I don't run stamina up for the tier list just so all the guns are what they're gonna be. There's no advantage on them.
Undead asshole neutralized.
Grab this now. Hopefully we can get to
Team, got another exfil window.
double pack or triple pack. I mean next round. Maybe 2 rounds. We'll see.
Well, that shut you up, didn't it?
You know what? Let me go ahead and turn on my face cam.
Loaded shitbag, KIA. Well, I'm an efficient son of a bitch.
All the max ammo in this game. That was our one problem too when we were playing. I had no max ammo in our game, anything. I think I'm gonna go around 21 with this just so you guys see where it's at. I'll keep it double pack too, just so you guys get a sense of where it kind of stays at. A little later rounds.
We'll circle back.
One less zombie. You're welcome.
Oh, that was close. The one thing I have to say, high rounds is very inefficient on ammo though. You know, the higher you go, the more zombies there are.
You all get the idea?
Just feels like it runs out of ammo quick. Like for an LMG with something this fast fire rate, it just goes through rounds. It's a shame. I wonder if it is. Grab some speed cola. Headshot. Gotta get out of here.
You're dead, dumbass. You're done for good. New world records for meatheads. Get beat down. That hit? I expected more.
I love Woods as a character. I was so happy that they added him into the zombies gameplay. The lines that he says are just. I thought I could double one new. I don't really know too much of the other characters, name-wise. I don't know who they are. Woods is definitely my favorite. Through all this goo. So, I mean, as you can see, it starts to drop off on the bosses around here.
You're done for good.
And I hate when they just goo you.
Mobile meat pile crack. I ain't even close to done.
Keep these last few alive. This guy. Move on to the next round. Oh, hello. It still does decent. Alright, this is about how it does when it's gold. Triple pack. Man, can you leave me alone? The adults are talking. Stop it. Man, I say every time I kill one of these guys, thank God they drop ammo. Unless you're using the ray gun, it just takes so many bullets to kill these guys.
Exfil available.
little show here. Triple pack. Final round. Triple pack it. See how it is. I don't think I was triple packed at this point. Earlier today we were playing. Right over here. Toss this guy.
Monkey's gonna do his thing.
Upgrade it to purple. I hate being stuck down here.
You all seeing this?
I know you could just like portal out, but kind of seems like a cop out to me. Let me tell you, if you have this thing triple pack, round 21 purple, it's cracked.
Well, that shuts you up, Nick. I live for this shit.
And I still can't believe I pulled the ray gun. Oh my god, my voice just cracked. I still can't believe I pulled the ray gun out of the box. The one run that, like, I'm not gonna use it.
Dropped another zombie.
Alright, I mean, my final thoughts on the gun. It's a good gun. High in firepower. I recommend it. It's a good starting gun. It's easy to level up. Get a lot of salvage out of it. You toss some attachments on it. I don't play with attachments for the tier list, but toss attachments on it, get increased salvage drops. It's solid. I mean, you get it high, you can go really high rounds. The only problem you just have to watch out for is training zombies and getting caught up on them just because of how slow you move. I mean, stamina up, get that, fix all your problems. Besides the mobility of it, the only thing I would say, I'm about to go down in my outro. The only thing I would say is just, in my opinion, it goes down the ammo fast. So, if you're gonna run it, maybe run some extendo mags on it. Toss some big mags, you get a big ammo boost at the beginning, but yeah, I mean, it's a good gun. I like it. I definitely recommend it. A lot better than the XM4. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos. Daily uploads. Do this, challenges, other types of videos. And yeah, see you in the next one.